Okay, guys, so picture this. Now, imagine you're at a zoo and the parrot tells you to off.
What?
That's cute.
All right.
What zoo are we at?
A UK zoo had to separate 5 African gray parrots from each other because they were encouraging each other to curse in front of visitors. And the zoo got the parrots. So apparently the zoo got the parrots separately in August and quarantined them together. And somehow they ended up with a room full of cursing parrots. The zoo's chief executive says some visitors found it funny, but with kids visiting, they decided to move them. But if they teach the other birds bad language, then they may end up with 250 swearing birds.
Wow.
I would fly to the UK to see 250 cursing parrots. I would never bring my son, but I would be there multiple times just to hear that.
These parrots apparently have had it with 2020, because I know I've been saying you a lot, and they saying it too. But really, think about it. What's funnier? Is it funnier for the parents to be saying curse words, or is it funnier when kids curse? Because when kids curse, Headkrack, you know that's funny too.
It is, it's because they always use it in the best appropriate place. Because like we parents, we're so used to cursing, we curse at random. Kids will use it right in the right spot.
They do.
Right. Now I am appalled that they're blaming this on the African parrots. I'm sure they learned from a non-African. Like, you can't just pin everything on us. Come on now.
It's so much cursing going on. My son has heard more cursing, especially since I joined Dish Nation. That's really what it is. It's not even 2020.
Oh, Lord.
I be cursing so much. My son comes out and he's like, everybody in my classroom hears you and your other people cursing,
That's
Mommy.
funny.
He's banned. He can't watch because I can't help it.
But please don't stop. Don't stop, y'all.
Hey, don't forget to hit us up on social media. We're on all these platforms at Dish Nation. We'll see you there.